Peachy.
Marlon Cowles.
Oh yes, I'm about to put white bread in my mouth. We have Jamie on the line. Hi, Jamie.
Hello, Jamie.
Hi.
Are you prepared?
Yes, I've been listening to it. Yes.
All right. All right, here we go. Okay. Who is David Beckham married to?
To Posh.
Woo!
Yes.
Okay, but next one in Indian accent. Oh, try it. Here we go.
What is Posh called?
Oh my gosh, I have no idea what you said.
Sorry, Jamie. No. Go again. Ask her again.
Okay, Jamie. What is Paris Hilton's chihuahua called?
Oh.
Oh, I know this one. It was Shivers.
Trevor?
The dog's name. I can't think of the chihuahua.
Okay, Joe, what is Paris Hilton's chihuahua called?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, got it. Next one is if you're Paris Hilton.
Okay, like, what is Paris Hilton's chihuahua called?
I don't know either.
Oh, so hard.
Wow.
Aaron?
This is award-winning radio.
It's sticking to the roof of my mouth now. Aaron, what is Paris Hilton's chihuahua called?
Tinkerbell.
Nice work, mate.
Okay. It really is sticking to the roof of my mouth. Who is bringing Sexy back?
Justin Timberlake.
Yes!
Okay. Through a lump of dough. Okay.
That's hot.
What is Cal Wilson's favourite animal?
His favourite what?
Edible.
Dog.
You definitely know. Bad man.
Michelle, what is Cal Wilson's favourite animal?
A cat.
Yay! Well done, Michelle.
Yay.